Hello everyone. Today I crafted an interactive Southeastern Brazil temperature analysis dashboard on Power BI. In this dashboard, the key insights include line charts to display average maximum temperature by year, temperature range by year, average minimum temperature by year, clustered column charts to display minimum temperature by quarter, minimum temperature by month, maximum temperature by quarter, maximum temperature by month, map to display maximum temperature by latitude and longitude and minimum temperature by latitude and longitude, slicer to filter based on year, quarter, month, day, cards to display maximum temperature and minimum temperature. Here if I want to check on first quarter of 2000, the maximum temperature is 39.50 in the year 2000 in the southeastern Brazil. You can see by latitude and longitude, minimum temperature by latitude and longitude as well. If I want to see for the month January, the maximum temperature is 39.50 and the minimum temperature is 9.70. If I want to filter based on the years alone, if I want to filter up to 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, you can see the average maximum temperature by year for the year 2000 is 28.60, maximum temperature 41.20, minimum temperature minus 4.50 for these 4 years. See average minimum temperature by year. This is how my dashboard works, and that's all about my dashboard. Thank you.